This is a quick video to show you how to stack the cubes. So basically I've already started stacking them, but I'm going to show you how to select more than one thing. So if you do this translate by vector, so make sure you select that. Now if you hold on the trackpad, if you hold both fingers down, you can come across and create a selection triangle. Rectangle, I mean not triangle. And now you've selected this entire thing, and now you can do the vector. So here I just want to move everything over from here over to this. And hopefully it will come up. It takes a little while actually on the web. So here it is. So and again, you could keep stacking this. And again, you'll know you've done this correctly if you change one part of the cube, it should change them all. So is there a lag here? Let's see, let me just, okay, so here we go. So you can change this slightly. Okay, again, that looks kind of strange, but you can see how you can move the cube around. Okay, so that's how you do it.